Okay, today guys, we are going to be baking or decorating snowman cookies. We're gonna make snowman.
Here you go.
Hey everybody, Buddy Belastro back with my DIY snowman black and white cookies.
So right now we're just watching a video to figure it out.
It's moist, it's delicious, it's got fondant on it, and I did all the hard work.
That's fondant.
I baked it, I iced it, and now you get to decorate it. So, what are you gonna need? You're gonna need a couple damp paper towels, toothpick,
Why you say day?
a little bit of cornstarch.
Okay, guys.
Or powdered sugar, depending on whatever you have. And let's get into it. So in this cookie pack comes with 4 cookies and
Okay, guys.
the fondant
Right now?
to turn it into the snowman.
We're just making
We
cookies.
here as a frame of reference. The other thing
We're
what's
building
nice about
with
this
a buddy.
is they say you want to
We have blue,
today,
orange,
then
and white
the rest
fondant.
at a later date. Just take the fondant, put it in this one, and then you can do
Is there a different color
Oh, yes, there is.
Different color fondant?
a good,
Favorite.
you know,
Why does it says white?
but then it'll dry out.
I got
So,
orange.
you got about a month.
And there's white.
So first
What's
thing we
the
got
best?
is we're gonna open it.
Guys,
We got
right now
black,
they're
white,
just
orange,
doing.
and white. So I always start with the white because you're gonna get your hands a little dirty by touching the black, blue, or the orange fondant. And you know we want to keep the white white.
Do we share all of this?
Yes.
Fondant
That's
is like
chocolate.
sugar Play-Doh.
It's not chocolate.
It's something that I feel like is probably
It's
a
not
What
lot
else is in the box? Oh, that's just the.
more forgiving
It's
medium
all fun.
in cake decorating.
So we can make whatever color that we want.
You know, if you pipe an eye out of buttercream or you roll one out of fondant, A, it's a lot easier to do it out of fondant.
I need
and
black
B,
first, so my buttons.
if it doesn't work, you could re-roll it and then put it on when it's perfect. So
Can
I
I
have
have
a little
one?
butter knife here. And
Can I
I'm just gonna
decorate?
cut this into
Hang on, I gotta figure out what to do with
because
the
you have
fondant.
4 cookies. There's enough of each
I
color
smushed
to
the
give
blue.
one cookie. So
The
I'm gonna
blue is
take
probably for the
my
background.
little white. I'm gonna take the rest and
Okay, guys, I'm opening
this. I'm just gonna put it to the side
my
here.
cookie.
And do the same thing with the blue. Take our blue out. So who doesn't love building a snowman for Christmas? Especially if you're in an area in America where you don't get snow.
Yum.
You can't build one. You're in Florida. Tough life for you guys while we're freezing here in the winter, right? You guys are in the summer.
I love blue.
Well, we're gonna use them all, so
Unless you build these guys.
relax.
And at the end of the day, if yours doesn't come out perfect, it's still delicious. You're gonna love it. So we're gonna cut this into 4. Same way. Everybody gets a little piece. Now we're going to black.
Good. We are still making it.
There's probably even a little extra fondant. I try not to be cheap with the fondant when I give it to you guys, so that you have enough
Can I start
to do.
making?
Well, I wanna see how you're supposed to.
Or some people like
mold it.
explore. Some
Just
people
like
like
cut it
Asian.
all-
Whatever you want to do with it, it's okay with me.
Okay, right now I'm just making my little button
Oh man.
for
Feel
my
it when you
snowman.
touch this
Oh, I
cookie
already
and
have
it's
blue.
nice and moist.
Give it
you
to
see?
Chase.
So we're gonna take our blue.
Just do some
We're
blue.
gonna smash it down in our
Okay,
hands here.
let's do the blue first. Okay?
For what?
Smash
Massage
it.
Luke's really smashing it.
This is gonna be the hat. So I'm gonna kind of
Okay,
start
see the
to
hat?
manipulate it with my hands. I'm just gonna kind of like
Okay.
push with
My
my
grip.
fingertips.
My ring. Oh, it's so sticky.
Just
Ew.
kind of create.
It's so sticky. Yeah.
Okay, now smush it.
So I'm just I'm pinching with my fingers, flatten it,
Put out my hands.
pulling.
Make a
Now,
hat.
you want it to come down. Probably, so you can always put it on. just to see, like, all right, I gotta go a little bit more. So I'm gonna keep flattening it out. Keep kind of, I want those corners to stay
There, look at that.
pitched.
Perfect.
Okay.
Look at that.
Also perfect.
Okay, now I need the
no.
now I need the dot. The white dot.
Oh,
So I'm just gonna kind of like,
I need the white. Perfect.
okay,
That's
make a little ball.
get
out of white.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're making the little pom-pom on the
Or
top.
did you make a black one? Oh, that's for the buttons.
Yep, now put it right on top.
I want to make a pretty big one. But like really stands out.
right? So you have a nice
Right,
round.
so now,
I did
okay, you did it.
Guys,
Okay.
look at
Now,
Loki's was
we're
just
gonna
like
make little,
torn.
we're gonna make eyes. Make an eye.
Need two eyes.
You're making a snowman. Okay, we'll make a little carrot.
Take what's left
Here,
of
here, make a carrot.
to a stick.
Here, make a carrot.
Go right across the
I know.
Now what I'm gonna do is just kind of like smash this in.
Here, perfect carrot.
Now,
Now, put it in his
I know
nose.
what the box doesn't have. I'm gonna just take a toothpick.
Nope, right
There.
And I'm just gonna have some
See that? Perfect.
Between his
It's
eyes.
sounded way too big.
and
I
just
can't
kinda like
make it a little.
holes to make this look furry.
Okay.
Just go back
All right, now,
Very nice.
let's make the mouth.
and,
Yeah, put the carrot up a little bit higher. Think of it as nose
yeah,
in the middle.
beautiful.
Now I'm gonna make little his
I'm
mouth.
gonna do the same one a little.
Grandpa, do you want to make one?
No, I'm okay. Well, thank you.
Next thing's next. We're gonna take the arm.
What do we need next?
The mouth.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna make
No, you're making little
mouth.
balls. Look, here's the picture.
And then into
See?
a carrot.
How many dots?
Just kind of like
Well, they use
take
5.
it in my hand and just kind of that carrot
We
shape.
need 4.
Put it on.
We need 4.
It's okay. You can make it any way you want.
So far, so good. You with me?
He said 4.
And lastly, we're gonna take some black, right? I smash it in my hand to make it sticky, and I roll it in the palm of my hand.
What do you say to me?
By doing that,
Smashed it in his hand to make it sticky,
right to the
This?
and then rolled it. A little black.
two eyes.
Okay, what do you think? Can I take your picture with your cookie? Cheese. You made a snowman.
What do you use this black for?
What?
What was that for?
Black for?
What was the last part for?
He was making that mouth.
He didn't make the mouth with balls. He used the mouth like that.
Oh, can you eat fondant?
Yeah, it's just frosting.
Cheese. It's very sticky, guys. It's sticky. What's good?
Bye-bye. Where's Grandpa going?
Try this. Guys, this is how mine turned out. See
Here, try that.
ya. Why is he putting whipped cream?